We're talking about the Netflix effect. You know how we all occasionally are guilty of having a binge watch of our favourite set of films or TV shows, and we call it binge watching. Well, I think there's something missing for most people who work for themselves, and certainly in the world of employment, which is binge working. Now, before anyone shoots me down in flames, I'm not on about trying to turn people who want a quality of life over and above anything else. I'm not trying to stop these people choosing life over work. But sometimes we have to put the grunt work in. We have to work our row out. And sometimes it's really good to do it in big chunks of time rather than work hard constantly. So, what would happen if we binge worked instead of binge watched? You see, there are lots of people who want the laissez-faire lifestyle of, working on their laptop on a beach in Bondi and, just earning passive income and doing very little work. Sadly, these cases are too few and far between to make it the norm. You see, most people succeed through sheer hard work. Now, not everyone wants to work hard. I get that. And you're perfectly entitled to that opinion if that's what you want. However, I've been brought up to work hard. I have a work ethic. And I get the most done when I binge work. Big chunks of time with rest and time off and doing things for me in between. So there's always time for family. There's always time for personal stuff. Sometimes. But frequently you get big chunks of work done when you binge work. So I call it the Netflix effect. What do you need to binge work on? See you soon on another Dave's Desk. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Oh, and don't forget to visit our website at davidhyner.com to claim your free audiobook. Until the next time, go Rhino. Have in it.